Welcome! In front of me is a Lenovo TAB M8, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications from the top, extend the list, and one of these toggles will be the power saving mode, or battery saver as it's called right here. And for me it's literally the last toggle visible. Once you see it, tap on it. Now, the first time around, if you tap on it, it gives you a pop-up letting you know that power saving mode will turn on dark mode, restrict background activities, and some visual effects to extend battery life, or something along those lines. Which is pretty nice to actually have such a pop-up, because you at least have some modicum of information about what it will be changing. And one of those things that it actually probably changes, I can gather by the name, though I won't be necessarily certain if that is the way it affects it, will be the restrictions of background activity, which might include Wi-Fi, meaning that when you don't use the device, it might turn off Wi-Fi, and because of it, you won't be receiving any kind of notifications from apps that require internet connection. So if you experience such a thing, just know that this is because of your power saving mode. Now, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again, tapping on it, and as you can see, it flips back to light mode and disables your power saving mode, so everything should go back to functioning normally. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.